a wireless charging stand with a cooling fan. Hi guys, it's Klaudia, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be unboxing some new Amazon products that I received, and as you know, Amazon is a pretty big deal. You don't know what brand to go for. There's so many different things out there. You need guidance. So in this box I got some useful tech gadgets. These are mostly for your iPhone devices or any sort of mobile phone devices. A cherry on top, these were all under £25. So let me dive into the first item. We are going to start off with this one because this looks the most interesting. This is a wireless charging stand, wait for it, with a cooling fan. I've never heard that before, so I'm excited to see how this works. It's so light. So this is the close-up. It's a pretty cool design, and it's got like a rubber here so that your phone is nice and comfortable on there. This will light up when it's charging. I have to sacrifice my light to turn this on, but let's try it out now. Is it gonna connect? Did it straight away, and I can hear the fan. If your phone overheats while it's charging, it damages your battery health, especially if it's a fast charger, and this one is 10 watts, so it's pretty speedy. So this helps you extend your battery health. Overheated phone is no more. Also, I do want to mention all of these products are from Olixar. So thank you so much for sending me all these wonderful products, and also if you are interested in any of these products, there are links provided in my description. Now on to the next item. We got anti-hack webcam covers. Now I've wanted these for ages because I always used to use like sellotape or things like that comes off and it's not really practical. So these are very practical, and you also get a pack of 3, which means you can put this on your laptop, on your tablet. Oh, just flew off. And these are also matte black, do blend really well with your devices, and they are so thin it won't obstruct any of your devices, so like when you close the laptop down. So it's really good to have a camera cover so you don't get watched by hackers, and so hackers are gonna be like, oh. Next we got dust plugs. That was not a good idea. I love the feel of them. They are like squishy. They also come in a pack of 12, have different sizes for your USB-C to USB-A plugs. Mine just gets so dusty, so I can't imagine what it's like in the actual plug. So we don't want all that nasty dust building up inside of there. Ugh. And so next up we got metal smartphone and tablet stand. This is really sturdy, so you can tilt this bit to any angle you want. I like the look of it. It would blend in your house right in, and you can also have it sideways. So this is pretty useful for watching movies, FaceTime someone while getting ready. Let me try this with a tablet and then see if it's actually sturdy enough. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a tablet. Wow. This is holding on. It doesn't look like it's about to fall off, so I have proved it to you. It works just as well on a tablet. So it does have rubber feet at the bottom, and also while it's holding your phone, it also has a rubber on here, and it folds so easily. I can just bring this with me if I ever need to. And now next up we got some phone holders, and they kind of look like a hair clip. And you also get 2 packs of those. So one end is to clip in to your laptop, and as you can see here, it's got like rubbers inside so that your devices don't get scratched or don't get damaged while it's holding on to this clip. And you clip this side on while also clipping this side to your phone, especially if you want to use your phone while working or having Zoom calls. You can just make Zoom calls on your phone and still continue working, so you will hook some of your colleagues out with these clips. Moving on to the last item, we got a phone sock. I used to have this back in the day when I had like a small phone, as it was so handy. This is a very special phone sock because it is shock absorbent, and it also has a clip included. Oh, and a string. And this is for phone for 6.8 inches. So hopefully my phone can still fit in there, but it's more for like smaller phones. Let's just see if it fits. Oh, wow. Okay, it's slid in easily. Great. And so I love the practicality of this because I can just clip it onto anything like on me, and then I can go to the gym with it, I can travel with it, especially if you're like wearing some jeans and you can just clip it on. Pretty handy, especially if you don't carry a bag with you, anything. And I think this will be pretty good tool in the gym, as I don't like leaving my phone on the floor, and it looks really durable. Like, the material is very durable. I think this will last me for quite a while. So that was the last item. I can't wait to set everything up in my house and put it all into good use. So thank you again, Olixar, for sending me these products. And what did you guys think of these products? Drop your comments down below. And also, if you like this style of video and if you want me to do more videos like this, thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe if you haven't already, and like this video if you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!